ब्रेकअप हुआ है और वो किसी और के साथ हुक्ड ऑन है, उसकी आप इंस्टा पे फोटो ही देख देख करके रोते रहोगे, अच्छा अब ये कर रहे हैं, अब ये कर रहे हैं, अरे भैया ब्लॉक इट, यू हैव अ लाइफ, मूव ऑन।
ब्लॉगर भरत
एक सेकंड, ये क्या हो गया?
मजाक कर रहा हूँ।
काट यार, उस दिन एक तो लाइट चली गई थी,
Oh my
सारे सब पागल हो गए थे बाहर ऐसे,
ओके
सब पागल हो गए थे, लाइट चली गई थी, फायर अलार्म बजा रहे सब। तेरे को याद है क्या चिल्ला रहे थे?
Okay, let me just play the devil's advocate here
Okay.
then. Okay.
ओके
अगर आपको कभी भी लगे कि मैं थोड़ा सा वो हो रहा हूँ, आप मेरे को थप्पड़ मार लेना, मुझे कोई दिक्कत
ठीक है
नहीं, ठीक है?
How do you start your podcast? ये intro देता है, welcome to Dumb Down Podcast.
मूवी
No.
तो नहीं, गाना फिर भी
No.
कह सकते हैं।
Oh, okay.
हाँ,
What sort of what's your music genre like?
ओल्ड हिंदी म्यूजिक।
Old Hindi music. That's something I've never gotten into. I've gotten into old English music. I've gotten into old Spanish music. I'm not gotten into old Hindi.
माय पैरट ही लाइक्स स्पेनिश मूवी।
You have a parrot, ma'am. कैंपस में ही?
हाँ, he doesn't fly, he is just on my shoulder। अभी भी शायद ये देखो शिट करा हुआ है, अभी मैं उड़ गई
अरे यार।
इसलिए मैं ऐसे बैठी हूँ। So he is a great stress buster. Means what all he went through during COVID, lost the husband and all those things, and he was the one who was standing with the whole family like a pillar.
उसको भी बुला सकते थे।
ला सकते हैं।
ला सकते हैं?
You
अभी
want?
कैसे ला
हाँ,
सकते
नहीं
हैं?
वही।
हाँ।
अब लेट हो
हो
जाएंगे।
गया।
But like, is he a talking parrot?
No, he is not a talking parrot, but he is very responsive, and especially the Italian music. But अगर हम Italian music लगाते हैं, he starts dancing.
डांसिंग लाइक व्हाट ऐसे?
Yeah, ऐसे और जैसे तेज म्यूजिक को जो जोर जोर से करते हैं, धीरे तो धीरे।
We're talking about the parrot.
उसको चाहिए चिप्स चाहिए और साथ में विस्की चाहिए। He doesn't like wine.
मना कर देता है।
नहीं पीता। आप अगर एक में विस्की और एक में वाइन डालोगे, he will just not have wine. He wants whiskey.
A parrot has demand.
Yeah, he is very demanding. So उसका तुम पॉडकास्ट कर सकते हो।
और वो आएगा, उसके लिए अलग से सेटअप बनाएंगे हम लोग।
What's its name?
Oreo.
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 Okay. Oreo is usually like a
हाँ,
dog.
dogs
name.
name, वो
name.
He's
black
he's
white.
now 9 years old.
Okay. What's
Nine.
the lifespan of a parrot?
70,
Parrot.
75. They go beyond human beings' lifespan.
Really?
Yeah.
So actually, it's a very good pet to have because like it stays with you forever.
Yeah.
That's fair.
Which
But
is
like
also-
Indian parrots are not very friendly, not very loyal. I had kept parrots since 2010. So not 10, 2002. So like Indian parrots जब भी रखे हैं वो फ्रेंडली नहीं होते, वो उड़ जाते हैं। ये जाता नहीं है, इसको कभी मुझे गुस्सा आता है मैं घर से बाहर फेंक देती हूँ लॉन में, गेट लॉस्ट यू इडियट। He will stand at the door and tuck, open till the time I don't open.
But like how? Like
He's got
Being in the
feathers.
air.
in the
Tuck,
air
tuck.
he knocks. Like
No, he'll
अरे ज़मीन
he
पे
just walks, he runs.
Okay.
He will just fly from here till there. That's it. He doesn't take a flight.
Yeah.
He doesn't know how to fly because when we got him, he was just 15 days old.
Yeah.
उसको सोना भी नहीं आता था कि पंछी सोता कैसे है, तो हम बेड पे सोते थे तो वो भी टांगे ऊपर करके ऐसे सोता था हमारे साथ। नाउ व्हेन ही ग्रू अप तो उसके बेसिक इंस्टिंक्ट्स आ गए, तो उसको पता चला अच्छा पैरट्स ऐसे सोते हैं। नाउ ही स्लीप्स द वे पैरट्स स्लीप।
भाई क्रेजी भाई बिस्तर पे सो रहा है, दारू पी रहा है, बस स्कूल भेज दो भाई।
स्कूल भी माय डॉटर तो उसको पेन पकड़ा के 1 2 3 लिखो, देन शी सेज ओके ही इज फेल्ड अगेन।
Oh
Okay.
my god.
कभी तेरे दिमाग में आया कि कॉलेज में भाई ऐसे बिल्ली घुसा ले भाई? मेरे दिमाग में बहुत आता है, कॉलेज में ऐसे बिल्ली घुसा लेते हैं।
Yeah, but what do you think of the pura dog situation in campus?
Dog situation in campus is like I like dogs. I have had pets as dogs, but these are spoiled brats. These dogs are spoiled. They are not trained properly and they go any and everywhere. That is not, and I don't like that. So if they are there, there should be in some kind of a discipline. So that is where it is a bit sad. एक तो उनको you see they are malnourished many times. But had they been outside, they might have fended for themselves. Now they're dependent on us. अगर कोई बच्चा दे देगा कुछ है तो इट्स ओके, अदरवाइज दे विल नॉट. So
Mhm.
definitely that जो उनके आते हैं it's because they are here. Had they been outside they would have been better off. I think so.
Hmm. I also feel like I've seen dogs enter classrooms, मतलब classes के
Classrooms everywhere, dining
yeah
hall,
classes के बीच में
everywhere.
also, and it's
हाँ.
kind of like everyone gets a little distracted and it's like कि कुछ लोगों को डर भी लगता है obviously.
हाँ डरते
They're
हैं.
like
मेरे को many students came up to me and they still keep on coming up to me कि ma'am everyone is not a dog lover. How can we don't like when we walk and they come and lick our hand or something. It's irritating. Nothing. No one to
Hmm.
tame them.
yeah. Who's your favorite dog on
We have already
campus?
started.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
काफी देर से
हाँ,
like
तो
5 minutes.
yeah 5 minutes 5-10 minutes.
okay.
Yeah. क्या बात करते हो? Favorite dog
Favorite
on
dog.
campus.
No, I don't have any favorite dog.
I used to have one. जब तक वो मोटा था but अब वो पतला हो गया. So I'm
I
like
don't know the name of a dog. There's a dog which keeps on roaming around in the D block.
C&D में.
Something.
गोलू सा.
मतलब उसको अगर हम white color कर दें तो he is something like closer to husky.
हाँ.
So
Ma'am is talking about Motu.
No, I don't know who Motu is.
I don't know
Yeah.
his name, but
Hmm.
I like him very smart.
Yeah.
भाई
Handsome
मैंने
dog.
भाई मैंने देखा है रात को अगर बाहर निकलो ना कुत्तों की टेरिटरी है.
Yeah, that's
Yes.
वो
true. That's
कुछ
true.
कुत्ते DH2 के बाहर बैठे हुए कोई भी और कुत्ता आएगा ना वो भौंकने लगेंगे. गैंग वॉर्स टाइप होता
Dogs
है.
will always have a territory. That's
हाँ.
law which they follow.
Yeah, एक actually तूने I don't know if it's in Marine also. He lives in Marine. I live in
हाँ.
Manas. But Manas hostel में तो second floor पे I live. तो उसमें एक dog है जो मतलब रात को आता है and like ऐसे dustbins में थोड़ा बहुत देखता है और that is also some sort of कि उसको भी turnstile का कुछ होना चाहिए ना. सिर्फ हमें क्यों
उसका भी
होना चाहिए?
biometric करा देते हैं उसका
हाँ
भी.
नहीं seriously. Yeah.
But then I'll have to register him also. He should have a roll number. That is how he'll be in the ERP. I'll have to do everything. Then.
75% attendance.
Yeah. In the hostel. 75% attendance in the hostel.
नहीं उसकी तो मैम होएगी 95 होगी उसकी.
95.
Easy.
Okay.
बट मेरे को वो बताना भाई अपनी पूरी पुदीना अच्छे से स्टोरी बता हमें
भाई
बिकॉज आई आल्सो रिमेम्बर
कट
A unique story of the university.
या
भाई मुझे भी नहीं पता भाई वो क्या एग्जैक्टली था क्या. तो फिर क्या हुआ एक दिन भाई मेरी तबीयत बहुत ज्यादा खराब हो रही थी बहुत ज्यादा. सो मैंने पुदीना लिया ना 2 मिनट बाद मुझे समझ नहीं आया क्या हुआ मेरी पूरी बॉडी में खुजली होने लगी. पता नहीं बहुत अजीब सा था.
एंड आई थिंक इट वाज आल्सो नॉट योर पुदीना इट वाज समवन एल्सेस.
Yeah, it was a friend of mine. और वो कमरे में था नहीं, so I don't know if it was expired or what it was, but I just gone, I'd taken it. मैंने लिया था 2 मिनट बाद I was outside lying in my room. I called my friend. भाई मेरी तबीयत बहुत खराब हो रही है. And then I just threw my phone over there. Like luckily he came in time. He took me to the hospital. And then everything was alright. I still have no idea what happened. I don't think the doctors have a good idea of what happened.
No one had that idea
हाँ,
as to
किसी को
how
कोई
can a
idea नहीं.
pudina do that. But I feel if I go into the hindsight, it might be an expired medicine probably
हाँ,
which
हो
might
सकता
have
है.
done some reaction
Hmm.
and probably you might not have eaten anything.
हाँ,
So
वो भी हो
acidic
सकता
factor,
वो
all
भी
those
हो
things
सकता है.
got combined and
हाँ, fair
reaction.
enough, fair enough.
that is
But
the
ये
only
काफी
conclusion.
interesting story तो है.
सो देन यू गॉट एडमिटेड
हाँ, I got भाई ICU.
पुदीना आईसीयू मचा
अरे
दिया.
जैसे भाई मैं इधर बैठा हूँ मैं बुक पढ़ रहा हूँ अपनी. यहाँ पर कोई मर रहा है यहाँ पर कोई मर रहा है मैं इधर बुक पढ़ रहा हूँ भाई. मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ भाई मुझे वापस क्लास जाना है मेरी अटेंडेंस कब होने वाली है.
CST 101.
भाई CST 101 भाई वो तो.
But how was your college life like, ma'am?
Like my college life was very exciting. I studied in Maharashtra
Okay.
and I did my engineering from there. And like when I am a Delhiite, so whenever I used to go from Delhi to Maharashtra, so this train we had to change a train at Manmad. Manmad is a station.
Which is
And
where?
it's in Maharashtra only.
Okay.
So till Manmad it's a broad gauge and from Manmad it used to be a meter gauge. वो धुएं वाली जो ट्रेन पहले
हाँ.
चलती थी ना steam
That's
engines
called a
वाली.
meter gauge.
Meter gauge.
धुएं वाली. Okay.
नहीं, not धुएं वाली, but that the distance between both the rails is a meter. So that is why it is known as a meter
अच्छा,
gauge.
अच्छा.
So I was a notorious person. So I with my gang, we were 4-5 of us, so we used to climb the train,
Oh.
the terrace of the train
Oh my
on
god.
the top, and ये भी नहीं कि रुकी हुई ट्रेन में, चलती ट्रेन में हमने जाना है,
Gangs of Wasseypur.
सीढ़ियां जो होती हैं उससे ऊपर,
Hmm.
एंड विल होल्ड ऑन टू दैट, वो स्टीमर वाला जो होता है उसको होल्ड ऑन
मतलब
करके,
चलती ट्रेन पे.
मिल्खा
चलती
सिंह वाला
ट्रेन.
जो सीन होता है ना.
But the train. No, but the train moves so fast.
नहीं मीटर गेज धीरे चलती है,
Okay, okay, okay.
तो हम चढ़ जाते थे उसके ऊपर. एंड
हाँ.
देन जब स्टेशन आने वाला होता था तो पता है कि वहाँ पे वो टीटी पकड़ेगा, क्योंकि 1-2 बारी हमें पकड़ा था, तो हम फिर स्टेशन आने से पहले नीचे भी उतर जाते थे.
Hmm.
So this used to be an exercise, and one more thing we used to do is कि coin, 1 rupee coin and all, पटरी पे रखा, ट्रेन चढ़, एक पहिया गया और फटाफट से लेकर के ट्रेन में चढ़ गए, and that
Wow.
coin we used to make a hole and tie it round our neck. So that kind of notorious
Oh.
things I have done. So
Okay.
like I have really thoroughly enjoyed my college life, and then in the otherwise I was good enough in studies.
Hmm.
So never ever parents said कि नहीं ये
हम्म.
शरारतें मत करो. So they
हाँ.
said okay till the
घर में
time.
पता चल जाता था.
I used to tell. I was very free and frank with my parents.
Hmm.
My father was also a sports person. ठीक
अच्छा.
है, जब तक till the time you are not getting hurt, okay, enjoy life. So we did
Fair
that.
enough, fair enough.
Yeah.
What was hostel like though?
My hostel.
Mm-hmm.
Our hostel, like I was in the girls hostel and there was a common wall between the director's house and the girls hostel, तो हम ज़्यादा mischiefs कर नहीं सकते थे.
Hmm.
उस टाइम तो बहुत innocent mischiefs होती थी, अभी तो बहुत अलग तरह की होती हैं. उस टाइम तो अगर हम मेस से एक रोटी भी चुरा लाएं तो that used to be okay, wow, we have got it. So like girls winters में हम शॉल पहन के रोटी चुरा करके फिर अपने कमरे में कुछ भी बना रहे हैं, and warden comes to know, then the everything is confiscated जो यहाँ पर होता है. So we have also done that. We used to
Hmm.
cook in the room, confiscate होता था, फिर दोबारा आ जाता था. So ठीक है, we enjoyed that. And I have bunked my class twice. I
Hmm.
remember in my 4 years of engineering career, only twice.
Hmm.
And
मुझे क्या दिख रहा है?
so you
मुझे क्या
people
दिख
must
रहा
have
है?
bunked it more.
Hmm.
आजकल करते हैं बच्चे, तब थोड़ा
Hmm.
सा discipline था.
Hmm.
Like
हाँ.
I am from I'm a old person, so discipline was there.
Okay.
And moreover, like when I did my engineering that time, there were very few girls who were like in my class. We were 3 only
Oh.
Hmm.
out of 70 boys.
Hmm.
70 boys and 3 girls. So that ratio was a
Insane
great,
ratio.
mismatch. And when I did my engineering that time, there were many states who were offering free engineering admissions to girls because they wanted to promote that. I'm
Hmm.
from that era. So it was like something different to do. So that is how I joined in there. So I had to prove myself कि no, I can do this. So I tried to work very hard. And
Hmm.
incidentally, I was the topper of my college.
Oh really?
Oh my
So-
god. That's nice. You did
So-
computer science, man?
Yeah, I did computer science engineering.
Same. Bharat भी same.
मैं
computer
पढ़ा दूं
science
मैम.
करता है.
आ जाओ, मैं माइक्रोचिप्स पढ़ा सकती हूँ अच्छे से. That I know very well.
कोई idea नहीं है
No
मुझे.
idea.
No idea. Okay. The
Hmm.
syllabus has changed.
Ma'am, what is your favorite band? या फिर any music artist or anything?
Music artist.
Like not artist as such, but I love music as old Hindi music. I generally
Hmm.
prefer, and I don't go into an artist. I go into the words and the
Hmm.
music, the rhythm.
Hmm.
So if I like the rhythm of a song or anything, and which is soothing and or peppy also,
Hmm.
it should be in my frequency. I love that. So I don't have
Hmm.
any special artist or something.
Hmm.
I like songs, the
Hmm.
words of the songs.
Would you like to tell me what we're listening to lately?
What was that? What was the name of that song?
Legend.
Legend.
Okay.
सिद्धू मूसेवाला legend. बहुत हर समय ना, so we've got this inside joke, me and Kakkad. What
Okay.
we always do, there's this line in the song. What was the line exactly? मैं death day parallel चलता, something like that.
हाँ
Right?
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
मैं death day parallel चलता और दुनिया दे opposite, something like that.
Okay.
Right? So me and Kakkad always have this inside joke. Whenever either of us is not having enough fun in life, we say नहीं भाई तू life दे parallel चल रहा है भाई. Death day opposite चल रहा है.
That the opposite.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's very stupid, but we got this inside joke. Me and
Yeah.
Kakkad.
So Kakkad, you are Punjabi.
Hmm.
What about you?
Well, I'm from the UP. My family lives in Hyderabad now.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
But he's been like traveling home.
Yeah, like
Okay,
Till
because you
prof-
were speaking about a Punjabi song, so
Yeah. Do you listen to Sidhu Moosewala, man? Have you heard of Sidhu
I'm a
Moosewala?
Punjabi.
so you're
So
aware of who he is.
like we had this aim, like I've got 3 kids, so all 3 should learn a musical instrument. It was a mandate in my house.
Ooh, that's
So-
something that's good actually.
Yeah, all 3 of them know guitar,
Oh.
and I've got 3 guitars in my house with an amplifier.
Yes.
So and
शांति नहीं मिल रही घर में.
नहीं शांति नहीं मिल रही नहीं, but music is shanti.
हाँ, fair enough.
I tried to learn, but I love music, but I could never learn music.
Fair enough.
Yeah, bro. But ma'am, do you remember our dear friend who jumped from the second floor?
Yeah.
Yeah.
भाई बीप करना उसे.
हाँ वो हो जाएगा.
बीप कर लेते हैं भाई.
But ma'am, what happened? मतलब if you can,
What I know, you can tell better because you were
how
probably
it was-
there.
we'll tell our side of the story. You
Yeah,
can tell what you.
But what I came to know one matlab, fine day, this message comes to me कि this boy has jumped from the window. I said, okay, who's this? और उसके बाद एक मैसेज आता है, एक लेग है उसके ऊपर बैंडेज लगा हुआ है.
ओ ये भी हो गया था.
मुझे नहीं पता.
So-
ये नहीं पता. मतलब
No, that photograph came with the
Hmm.
bandage on the
हाँ.
leg और वो पैर यूं ऊपर खड़ा हुआ है. तो I said he must have gotten hurt and we rushed की just to see how the child is, and we came to know भाई ये तो fun हो रहा था यहाँ पर. And wherein there was some challenge which was going on and he wanted to show that I am the proper pahadi types.
I don't know honestly.
तूने किया
मैं
था.
था ही नहीं भाई
तूने
उस
किया था वो.
ठीक है भाई मैंने किया था. हाँ. Anyway.
So he wanted to probably prove that I'm a pahadi and I can do all these things. So
मैं
that's
पहाड़ी
what
हूँ.
I could recollect. So because when I interrogated him, so he said कि मैम हो गया.
हो गया.
I'm sorry.
मुझे लगा मैं पहाड़ी था.
So then there were some messages on the WhatsApp group which you people had, and those shots were shared with us. It was a scary thing, but we sailed through.
नहीं, but I think what I remember from that story was कि जैसे आपने बोला कि it was uploaded on Instagram and वो सब हुआ था. और फिर मैं next day मिला था उससे and he was like, मैंने obviously पूछा कि भाई ये क्या हो गया. He was like भाई
हो गया.
हो गया.
हो गया.
मुझे भी उसने बोला हो गया मैम.
हो गया बस.
I remember it. I think he's the one that started with the fire alarm. I think he was the one that did it first. Are you aware of the story of the fire alarms? I think that
There-
might have happened every year.
Too many fire alarm stories.
हाँ वो काफी often होता है. Like it was the first time that हमारे साथ हुआ. तो
तुम्हारे
हमें
बैच में
बहुत
फर्स्ट टाइम हुआ होगा.
हमें बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगा था.
Okay.
कोई
लो,
बड़ा
अरे
fire
फायर अलार्म
alarm
बज रहे, फायर अलार्म बजाते हैं तो बजता है.
बजता है.
अच्छा.
कितना क्रेजी है ना ये.
कितना क्रेजी. यार उस दिन एक तो लाइट चली गई थी.
Oh my
सारे सब पागल हो गए थे बाहर. ऐसे
Okay.
सब पागल होते. लाइट चली गई थी. फायर अलार्म बजा रहे सब. वो क्या चला रहे थे? तेरे को याद है क्या चला रहे थे?
रुक जाओ.
He does not want to speak that probably.
नहीं बट वो काफी इंटरेस्टिंग था. तो बट वो पूरा आई थिंक टाइम ही काफी इंटरेस्टेड था.
भाई
क्योंकि सब लोग इतना
कॉलेज पहले आए हैं.
हाँ सब लोग इतना हाई ऑन हार्मोन्स थे उस टाइम पे. किसी को समझ ही नहीं आ रहा कि ये हो क्या रहा है. सब लोग आई थिंक फ्रेशर्स के साथ यही होता है कि सब लोग
First
ऐसा
year
होता
ऐसे,
है.
first year नहीं, first semester I should say.
या
It
फर्स्ट
is like
सेमेस्टर इज लाइक
they are lost,
हाँ.
but they want to be included in everything. So they are any and everywhere, nowhere.
या दैट्स
So
सो
that
fair
confusion
enough.
is there.
That actually sums up my first semester. Seriously, क्योंकि हम लोग भी ऐसे ही थे यार. हम कहीं पे भी कुछ भी कर रहे थे. Like जो जहाँ पे बुला रहे हैं हम जा रहे हैं. Like कुछ पता ही नहीं है क्या हो रहा है.
But I think that's the best part of a college life also, because that is where you make connects. And I'm sorry about the students who got into the college during the COVID years, because
Oh,
they
yeah.
could not experience
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
Fair enough.
They were already 1 year old when they joined the colleges. So वो bonding हो नहीं पाई उतनी अच्छे से ना. They were more bonded to their phones
Yeah, I think that
rather
way we are
than
very
the
lucky.
students.
हाँ that's fair. That's fair.
So it's a beautiful time of a college life, the first year. And for me, my last year was also final year was very beautiful. अपना हमने project submit कर दिया, ये कर दिया, सारे exams हो गए, and that last phase around 10-15 days.
हम्म
जहाँ घूमना जाओ, अब तो हम इंजीनियर बन गए,
अब तो बन गए
अब तो बन गए, अब कोई नहीं रोक सकता. So that's
But I think credits उस टाइम पे भी 160 होते होंगे ना for engineering.
नहीं, credits वाला system
ये
नहीं था.
credit वाला
Then how did it work?
It was just marks.
Oh.
It was just marks. Like every paper was out of 100.
So basically, all courses were core courses, eh? Like you
Yeah.
couldn't choose either.
No electives and
No,
anything.
no, nothing. It was like हर semester 5 subject clear करने हैं, 100 नंबर का पेपर है, 500 मार्क्स में से कितने लेकर के आओगे, that's
और अगर एक सब्जेक्ट में फेल हो गए तो फिर नेक्स्ट
उसको
सेमेस्टर में
हमारे टाइम पे, अब यहाँ पर नहीं बोलते, ATKT बोलते थे. That ATKT carried forward something. The subject is carried forward. So you clear that subject in the next semester. So you can have ATKT till the final year.
So basically next semester में पास
हाँ, करना है.
Yeah. No, but what is the procedure of like checking the rooms and everything? Because I remember when we were in Chilika, हम लोग randomly library में होते थे और हमें call आता था कि checking हो रही है. मैं बोला तो ठीक है, होने दे, मैं library में हूँ, हो जाए.
Checking is like because it's important to have a, as I told you, like I am also from the army background and I am a Fauji, so there has to be a level of discipline wherein we feel if the discipline is getting spoiled at any point of place, so we need to do certain checks, and this is a process wherein you go to the hostel, we do a random check, okay, the things which you should not be having, like electric things or all, which you are not supposed to have as per the rules and regulations. If you are having, then that is taken away and you said, okay, goodbye to this, the things, never ever get it again.
तो फिर जो raid day होता है, raid day or whatever you want to call it, so do you decide that कि आज होएगी या फिर इतने बजे होएगी, or is it like randomly decided कि
आज मूड खराब है
It is randomly decided.
Okay. तो मतलब okay, right.
Anytime. And there's no specific routine to it.
So bottom line, आज मूड खराब है
नहीं, मूड जिस दिन खराब होगा उस दिन तो नहीं करेंगे.
अच्छा,
जिस दिन आज चलो घूमने का मन कर रहा है थोड़ा हॉस्टल का चक्कर मार के आया जाए.
What are you talking about? You're talking about the lift rule, right? जो अभी स्टीव सर ने वो भी एक मेल भी भेजी थी. So do you know about the how it works, the lift rule?
Little bit I know. I think there is some stupid joke going on some WhatsApp, some challenges going on. What little I know about it is that you have to knock at the lift when you are entering, and if you don't knock they'll hit you, something like that. So but it's weird. I personally feel it's weird.
It's
because
really weird.
it is really, but वो हर जगह चलता है.
But it's really weird.
but why?
Why?
Who has taken out
No,
that rule?
नहीं I
This
have
is-
no idea. I think भाई काफी टाइम से चल रहा है. Like
This is
even my
universal now at this point.
home- Yeah, universal हो गया.
See, ये चीजें ना ऐसे एक जगह कोई, जैसे आपका वो एक था ब्लू बकेट चैलेंज,
Blue whale.
Blue whale challenge.
challenge. Yes, yes.
फिर
yes.
आइस
not
बकेट
about
चैलेंज. I
Yeah,
mixed
yeah,
both of
yeah.
them. So मतलब there is someone in this universe who's taking out this and then making it viral, and the people, sorry to say, like dash
Follow them.
dash are following them.
Hmm.
So you should have your own mind. Yeah,
Hmm.
is it worth it? Okay, having fun at the cost of anyone else's is, I don't think it's worth it.
Hmm.
And blue challenge or jo bhi tha, I heard many students had a serious implications to it. Many
Yeah.
families
क्या
had.
क्या होता है?
Blue whale challenge. You don't know the blue whale challenge? Basically, some stupid game where there were levels, and the last level is that you have to, I think, kill yourself.
Yeah.
I don't know. Serious
Damn.
stuff.
So, but like, it's stupid. It's stupid to have such challenges.
Yeah.
You whatever you want to do, be productive. Yeah, you got a life for yourself, and just
Guitar
enjoy
सीखो
that
यार.
and make use of it rather than getting into all these things. You are becoming a follower. Why are you becoming a follower? Be a leader.
Mhm.
By doing this, you are a follower.
Oi. I have no idea what that lift rule is. I don't know. I think Kakkad knows what he's talking about.
See,
No.
with this, it's okay. That's a fun part of it. But I'll tell you one thing. हंस लो पहले. खुल के हंस लो.
नहीं हाँ
I'm going to tell you something serious. Not serious, but what is my feeling about life?
Mhm.
I feel that one should do something of that nature that the person leaves a footprint behind. The people should remember, okay, इस बंदे ने ये काम किया है,
Mhm.
and the person is remembered for life.
You leave a mark behind basically.
Yeah, you leave your mark behind.
Mhm.
And I very proudly say that I have done it,
That's good.
because I don't know you people know it or not. I am the first lady officer of my corps, so my
Mhm.
name is there in the history.
Mhm.
So you have to look into such opportunities wherein you do something different and you leave a imprint behind, to and good imprints for the people to follow. So you
Mhm.
don't become a follower.
And what was that like, ma'am? Like being the first lady officer.
Like it was
It was also, I think, बहुत obviously ratio बहुत खराब होता होगा उस time पे.
हाँ,
Obviously, you were
बहुत
the
खराब
first
था,
one.
बहुत ही
So
खराब रेशियो था.
being like
Mhm.
in between so many men.
See, when I put on the uniform for the first time, so it was like the first feeling which I had was the stars on my shoulder are shiner than the stars in the sky.
Oh,
Mhm.
yeah.
So, and that glitter in the eyes of my parents, ki okay,
Mhm.
our daughter has become the lady officer and she's in the uniform. And I am from a family, like my 3 generations behind me are in the same corps, EME.
Oh.
So like it was a proud moment
Mhm.
for them also.
Mhm.
But yes, being the first from my corps, there were lot many challenges. We were
Mhm.
not accepted
Mhm.
very nicely because we had ventured into a men's world
Mhm.
and they were very comfortable there. Now the
Mhm.
ladies going in, definitely their language, everything will change, will be
Mhm.
more refined.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you one incident. I was posted in and there I was posted as an instructor, and we had to teach the senior officers. I was just a lieutenant. I had to teach majors and colonels. And army, the protocol is very important. Okay, lieutenant is a lieutenant, captain is a captain, so the protocol is very
Hmm.
important.
And what was your post at that time, ma'am?
I was just commissioned. I was a lieutenant.
Okay. Huh.
So we had a huge dining hall wherein all the people, all the officers who were there, that was basically a area where the EME officers used to come for the different courses. So huge dining hall, and I was in the staff का टेबल ऐसे था और students का टेबल ऐसे था. So अब door is that side, I have to come till the staff table, so I have to move from here to there, and it was a long distance.
Mhm.
Shoes tuck, and all the neck turned like this. Who's this? पूरे
Mhm.
घूम गए हमारी तरफ. हम we were 2 of us commissioned together, तो हम दोनों ने एक दूसरे का हाथ पकड़ा. हमने कहा टेबल जल्दी पास में आए और हम बैठ जाए. We sat there, and then this person comes जो सर्व करते हैं खाना. तो he was fumbling. He said कि साहब, मैडम, साहब, मैडम. He did 2-3 times like this. Then he said कि सॉरी, आप बता दीजिए हम आपको कैसे एड्रेस करें. हम साहब लोगों को तो साहब बोलते हैं, उनकी मेम साहब को मैडम बोलते हैं, आपको हम क्या बोलें. So हमने कहा सी we are in uniform, हमें साहब ही बोलिए. So that was one
Okay.
barrier which was broken,
Yeah.
because these people were so confused.
Mhm.
And the second barrier was broken, like the Indian army did not know in different, like we have got different rigs for different occasions. If we have a party, तो 6 alpha, 6 bravo ऐसे करके हमारी rigs होती हैं, different uniforms. So what should a woman officer wear in these parties? Men officer wear this uniform, what should the woman officer wear? So I very proudly say that I was instrumental in making what a women officer should be wearing, which the ladies are still following. वो हमने बनाया था. We were a path setter for that. So like this, many moments came wherein we felt proud. Okay, we are been given this opportunity to do it. But then there were many moments where we thought कि नहीं यार कहाँ आ गए. Because many a times it was कि लेडी ऑफिसर्स आ गई हैं, पता नहीं कैसे परफॉर्म करेंगे. देयर वाज अ क्वेश्चन मार्क,
हाँ.
but we proved it.
Was there also sexism involved? या some sort of discrimination या ऐसा कुछ?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था.
थोड़ा I think awkward ही हुआ होगा starting
Awkward
में.
था, but I cannot say about the other lady officers, but I had a wonderful army tenure. And wherever I was posted, I was really taken with welcoming hands, and people were there to teach me and to guide me, reprimand me also. So, but it was a good, like tough love kind of a thing, which was there. But I had a great experience. If given an opportunity, I would love to go back. So it was a life in itself.
Like I've got a couple of friends that are in the army, and I've realized this: the army people have a lot of character, but they also have a lot of fun. Like
Yeah.
even while it's so.
Yeah,
Do you have any fun incidences that you remember from the army?
yeah. In fact, incidentally, 4 days back only we were discussing. Like we have a group. So when as I told you, my first posting was EME School Baroda. So that year, that is in 1994, there were floods in Baroda. Okay, and there's an Ajwa river there. So the announcements were going on कि we'll be opening the gates one by one, gates of Ajwa river. As the water is filling up, we'll keep on opening the gates so that slowly the water comes into the city. So me and the other lady officer, we got the announcement, heard the announcement कि अच्छा रात को खोलेंगे 2 और गेट, अभी तक तो पानी नहीं आ रहा कमरों में. हमने अपना सूटकेस वगैरह पैक करके we kept it, and like idiots we left the suitcase on the floor and we slept. रात को सायरन बजा, 2 और गेट खुल गए, पानी came into the rooms, and when we got up we saw our suitcase floating.
Oh my god.
So ठीक है, वो एक इंसिडेंस हो गया. एंड वी वर वेरी न्यू इन टू द आर्मी, सो वी थॉट कि सबको पता है फ्लड आ गया है, तो हम अपना सामान नीचे वाले फ्लोर से ऊपर शिफ्ट करने लगे. वी डिड नॉट बॉदर टू इन्फॉर्म आवर ऑफिसर दैट वी विल नॉट बी कमिंग टू द ऑफिस बिकॉज वी आर डूइंग दिस, एंड वी डिड नॉट रिपोर्ट टू द ऑफिस. द नेक्स्ट डे व्हेन वी रिपोर्टेड, द ऑफिसर सेड यू आर एब्सेंट विदाउट लीव. सो देयर इज अ प्रोसेस टू इट. यू विल बी रेप्रिमांडेड.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we said, sir, हमें तो पता नहीं था. No, you are absent without leave. So then they explained us, and they did regularize it, but that was the first shock of our life. And the funniest part was that the other officers, the gents officer who were there with us, तो अब हम तो बेहाल निकल के आ रहे हैं वहां से, because everything had gone, we didn't have any clothes. So they are on cycles. आजा मेरी गाड़ी में बैठ जा, and they're singing those songs. And बहुत पानी आ गया था कि लिटरली यहाँ तक पानी था. एंड वी वर वॉकिंग, एंड वी सॉ दी सीनियर मोस्ट ऑफिसर्स जिनको हमने हमेशा यूनिफॉर्म्स में और विद अ पी कैप एंड डेकोरेटेड देखा. एवरीवन वाज इन दी शॉर्ट्स. सो दैट वाज वन मोमेंट व्हिच वाज रियली डिफरेंट, व्हिच आई सॉ.
Casual Fridays.
Yeah, casual Fridays. And around I think 10 days or 15 days or back, again the same floods have come in the same EME school, and we were like there's one of the officer who was with us who's still posted there, so he sent across, do you remember your Vios days that we were floating in the water?
Yeah.
So many stories of army, many stories. We can sit together with hours together.
So how do you like abhi, like you're living on campus, it's very different from an army setup, you know. So zyadatar yahan pe log they're like 18 to 22, you know. So how is that like? And because everyone is so young,
it's fun.
Yeah.
I am liking it. Why? Because see,
do you prefer this over like being with people?
I prefer this.
Okay.
Because
I think I wouldn't वैसे, but
no, I prefer this because you relive. I'm reliving my college life.
yeah.
I'm closer to the younger lot, so I feel I'm young. Even though I'm not that young, but still I feel okay, I'm young. And
even Steve sir says that.
Yeah, it is, that feeling is there. And initially I used to feel okay, my house is there within the hostel, so disturbance, बच्चों का शोर. Many people told me don't take the house there because बच्चे वहाँ basketball खेलेंगे, you will not be able to sleep. I said, ठीक है, let me see, let me try. So, but I feel I did the right choice by taking the house there, because I stay alone. My kids come during the weekends only. So the students are talking and chatting, बाहर से निकल रहे हैं, तो I feel okay, someone is near to me. I'm surrounded with the people. So I really love that feeling. And definitely I don't know. I don't like staying with my age group people or the elder people. I love staying with the younger ones, and in my family also, all my kids and their cousins and everyone. I'm with them. I'm not with my age group people in my house also. So I'm loving it.
आई थिंक मैंने तो हमेशा ये इमेजिन किया कि मतलब वंस यू टर्न 50 और 60 you're just like one of the people जो बेंच पे बाहर मिलते हैं शाम को 6 बजे और लाइक ऐसे
I don't want to have that life. Sorry.
yeah
I don't want to have that
So
life.
do you come for these events like Breeze or something? Breeze
Yeah.
and such.
You'll find me everywhere, and in fact, I look for people to dance with. So I have to keep on calling some faculty or some stuff. आजो भैया बच्चे डांस कर रहे हैं, मुझे भी करना है डांस. Please give me company. Otherwise, I feel embarrassed. You are with your groups. So like, but I really love. I 90% make it a point to come.
So you're reliving college, like college culture and all of
Yeah.
that, all of those things.
In fact, like you have a freshers party, Abhi. Saturday को, so I was telling my daughters, मैंने कहा Saturday को freshers party है तो आ जाना. So that we can at least I'll have a partner to dance with. So it's good. It's nice.
Do you have like friends on campus like जो जैसे आप बोल रहे हो कि you call people
Yeah,
कि
I
साथ
have
में
many friends on campus. And I think I'm blessed because 90% people on campus I feel I'm friends with and they are friends with me.
I feel like as students हम लोग सब लोग को जितने भी people who are like have authority in campus हम सबको उनको ऐसे देखते हैं like मतलब हम उनको human perspective से एक देख ही नहीं पाते हैं.
देखना चाहिए ना हमें भी तो बच्चा है छोटा सा.
Like there's just sometimes I feel like they're just teachers. वो बस पढ़ाते रहो और कुछ नहीं करते.
हाँ क्यों पढ़ाया बस अब क्या.
See,
which is थोड़ा
when you get closer to anyone, your professor, or let's say you get closer, we're talking, we get closer, we know each other. So then definitely you don't look at the person like that, what you are saying. It is only till the time you don't know the person. So once you start knowing, your seniors and all, they have disturbed me many times. They banged at my door. मैम आज red velvet cake खाने का मन है. मैं कहती थी अच्छा ठीक है कल बना दूंगी सामान ला देना. I have done this. Your seniors have done it.
Yeah.
So don't do it. Okay.
We won't.
No, speak for yourself.
I won't.
So and I love that. I have जब नहीं मूड होता तो भगा भी देती हूँ मैं. But ये है कि ठीक है. It's a life. And let's live the life together. It's so unpredictable, especially with what all happened with me and my family. It's so unpredictable. I feel जो भी moment मिले ना उसको live करो और प्यार से रहो. That is what I feel should be there. Yeah.
No, around this concept only. जो चल रहा है just live करो, enjoy करो.
Live.
Me and Arnav have this concept.
Yeah.
Called tea time.
It's called tea time.
Okay.
So tea time is basically अब tea time सबको लगेगा it's like TEA time. It's not that.
It's not that.
It's tickle time.
It's
Okay.
tickle time.
So it's basically भरत और मैं फर्स्ट ईयर में सेम हॉस्टल में थे एंड हम लोग रात को मिलते थे अराउंड 1 or 2 एंड हम सिर्फ एक दूसरे को इंस्टिगेट करते थे इनेबल करते थे टिकल करते थे है ना. सो और आई थिंक दैट्स द पूरा पॉइंट ऑफ टी टाइम कि हम साथ में जा रहे थे पता नहीं हम करते भी क्या थे. वी डिडंट एग्जैक्टली डू एनीथिंग सिर्फ घूम रहे हैं.
वैसे हम टीवी पीते थे and then it started the tickles.
Yeah.
The tickles started.
It originated from the original
The original tea.
To the tickle.
yeah.
The tickle.
So it was some sort of like a metaphor.
And it's not physical tickles. It's all
Yeah.
mental. All mental tickles.
Yeah.
So what we used to do sometimes, what we did once is that we'd taken an egg and then we'd sprayed it black.
Okay.
So what we'd do is that we just give somebody around a catch of that black egg. So he'd think that it was a ball.
A squash ball.
A squash ball ऐसे. But फिर उसके हाथ में आती थी तो वो literal squash हो जाती थी भाई.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Like pranks.
हाँ, just small
Just
prank.
prank.
Just
Yes.
small prank.
Okay, I'll tell you an incident of my life, my childhood.
Yeah.
I had played a very huge prank and on a very huge level, in fact.
Oh my god. Yeah.
This was someone challenged me that okay, I was, as I told you, I'm a sports person. I was, अभी तो मैं कम खेलती हूँ.
ट्रूथ एंड डेयर मैम.
हाँ नहीं,
This is
ट्रूथ
what
एंड
I-
डेयर नहीं, ट्रूथ
नहीं.
एंड डेयर नहीं.
ओके.
तो मतलब चैलेंज भी नहीं था, मतलब जैसे बोल देते हैं अरे तुम तो नहीं कर सकोगी,
हाँ,
that
हाँ,
kind
हाँ,
of a thing.
हाँ.
So this was a basketball match wherein that person, that boy, he told me, you cannot do more than 5 baskets in the complete match. I said, sorry, I will make at least 30 baskets. So he said, okay. So we started playing. It was complete boys versus girls team. And I was the captain of my team. And that day we made 62 baskets. I still
62.
remember.
Oh my god. Yeah.
And out of which maximum I had done. I was a 3-point shooter basically. So ठीक है, जीत गए. तो अभी वो कहता है कि चलो ठीक है, since you have won, so give us a party. मेरे को उसके ऊपर इतना गुस्सा था कि तेरे को मेरी काबिलियत पे शक था,
Yeah.
और अब तू
वो
मुझसे
party
मतलब
मांग
you
रहा है.
had the guts to ask for a party. I said okay, I'll give you a party. So we were 10 of us. So what we did, हमने अपने जहाँ पर भी थे हमने मिट्टी से सारी ये बनाए चीजें, लाइक लड्डू, बर्फी, everything out of mud, painted it.
Oh.
एंड देन वो जो मार्केट में चांदी का वर्क आता है ना,
हाँ.
जो मिठाइयों के ऊपर लगा होता है,
हाँ.
वो खरीद करके वो लगाया टू मेक इट ऑथेंटिक.
Okay.
We made a cake, we made everything, and we said okay, this is the party, we are hosting a party, come at this place. And there was not even a single thing which was actual thing, everything was mud.
Mud.
So they
My
came
god. ये तो बहुत डेडिकेशन है ब्रो.
प्रॉपर, मतलब उसको
हाँ.
बताना था कि तुमने हमें ऐसे कैसे
हाँ.
बोल दिया.
Yeah.
So they came, okay, खाओ, तुमने सब मीठा मीठा रखा है. हमने कहा हम
मीठा
ऐसे ही
ही
हैं,
लाते हैं.
हम मीठा ही
काफी
रखते हैं.
मीठा है.
That actually we did not realize कि हमने सब कुछ मीठा, because that was easy to make.
Yeah.
So but then we had to justify ourselves. मैंने कहा ठीक है, हम जीते हैं तो हम मुंह मीठा करा रहे हैं, so
Ooh.
have it.
मीठा तो नहीं है सही में. मीठा
So
तो नहीं है.
when they everyone had one bite, they understood कि नहीं ये तो मिट्टी खिला रहे हैं हमें. And then there was a huge fight. What the hell? What have you people done? ठीक है, तुमने पार्टी मांगी थी. This is what party we could offer. देखो हमने कितने मेहनत करी है, हमने मार्केट से नहीं लाया.
At some point ऐसा कभी हुआ कि लड्डू फेंक के मार रहे हैं मिट्टी का?
नहीं, वो नहीं मारा. But like I'm telling you कि I was that mischievous. So you can understand.
Yeah. सुपर अलग लेवल डेडिकेशन है फॉर अ प्राइज.
टी टाइम पार्ट 2.
नहीं, इतना तो हमने नहीं किया.
इतना नहीं किया.
इतना तो हम सोच भी नहीं पाए.
क्योंकि तुम्हें पेशेंस नहीं है probably.
Yeah.
These
और
things
क्योंकि
comes with the patience.
Yeah, and it was like a 1 hour thing जो हम रात को
हाँ.
करते थे. like
हाँ.
सर्दी भी हो रही है, अब ठंडी लग रही है.
अब क्या
तो
ही
like
करें?
हाँ, तो like just रूम में ही चले जाते थोड़ी देर के बाद.
Okay.
Yeah, but how do you think students view you? Do you think they're scared of you?
Some are yes, because they actually come and tell me many a times
आपसे
कि
डर
हमें
लगता है
आपसे
मैम.
डर लगता
Oh
है.
my god.
But in general, I feel the way I talk to them, yes, I am stern because I have to follow certain policies. But I would love to be friends with them. So that is why I keep on tickling them.
Oh.
So I feel they like me and they are friendly with me. But I don't know, you can tell me because you are the students representative how they look at me. But I feel that
I think
I
some.
do a good job.
I think काफी comfortable तो है.
हाँ, मतलब I think some of them are scared of you. Like you also said.
Yeah,
हाँ.
some
And-
are.
And I think that's kind of
That's kind of-
okay.
required.
It's good
at some
also.
point.
That's okay.
थोड़ा तो होना ही चाहिए.
थोड़ा डर बिठा के रखना चाहिए, नहीं तो हाथ से निकल जाएंगे बच्चे.
Hmm.
But ठीक है, it's mixed reaction kind of a
हाँ.
thing. But if I make it a percentage kind of a thing, so I think 70% do like me and they are friends with me. 30% में से 15% डरते हैं और 15% मुझे पसंद नहीं करते.
I think that's because जो once people start working with you or like the people who have worked with you उनको फिर समझ आता है कि मैम
हाँ.
like if you do your work properly and
Yeah.
everything then ma'am
काफी
is
chill.
kind of like friendly.
Yeah.
That was with me also when
So I think it's with everyone. That's what I told you. Like you said, the professors हमें थोड़े stern लगते हैं कि जी आप उनके साथ close हो जाओ, थोड़े से inhibitions खत्म हो जाएं, तो it is a different level altogether.
Do you have any favorite places to eat in campus
On campus,
In campus or like outside also, Mahesh or anywhere else?
Mahesh, I have not visited closely. I've seen it from outside only, but I would love to go to Mahesh once with one of you. And
Chalo, man, done. Whenever.
and otherwise, favorite places to eat, Chili's.
Chili's. Oh, okay, like the
Acha,
place.
acha,
हाँ, मुझे
acha.
लगा Chili's.
So that is one of the place I would I
Hmm.
can go anytime and eat. And socials, ये दो जगहें हैं जो कि DLF में हैं.
Yeah.
So go to place if
Chili's.
I'm a bit low on emotions or something and I get a good food, then I'm fine with it.
Food
So
solution.
that is one thing. And more than going out, I feel the best place I would like to visit for eating anything is my house, my kitchen. I am very proud to say that I am an FSSAI certified, so I can make any kind of cuisine. So I just start cooking and eat that.
You're
So
very
that-
fond of baking also, no? You said.
Yeah, and I'm a passionate baker, and
Ma'am has an Instagram account also.
yeah, I actually I was doing it professionally before
Okay.
joining the university.
Sure.
So I was working with another university before this, and then I took a break wherein my husband said, "Okay, live your life. तुम्हें जो करना है तुम करो. I am here. I am the bread earner. So you just follow your passion." So I went into this baking. I took a FSSAI certification. I had my own brand, and I
Ooh.
started making, and I make it myself. I have not
Acha.
outsourced anything. Like it used to be like if you order a cake to me today, you will be getting it tomorrow. So it is freshly baked, given to you. So that kind of a thing. So it really worked very well. And with that, I started off with the continental cuisines, Kashmiri cuisine, and all those things I started. And I started selling them professionally. But then the destiny had something else. So my husband said goodbye to me. So I had to come back.
And this is like a personal problem which I have, which I am like facing currently. I feel like now that I'm living in campus and my mom, she lives in Gurgaon, my parents live in Gurgaon. So it's like we have this sort of gap जो हम दोनों को एक दूसरे के लाइफ के बारे में समझ नहीं आता है कि मुझे नहीं पता जैसे उनकी लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है, उन्हें नहीं पता मेरी लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है. एंड whenever we are also talking on phone, we try to call each other every day, but जब हम वो भी करते हैं, it's like there's some sort of awkwardness, there's some sort of ऐसे silence ही होती है, you know, कि कुछ बात करने को, क्योंकि पता ही नहीं है क्या चल रहा है, you know. So I feel like I don't know if a lot of people face this. Is it the same with you?
I think that happens once you move away, right? Like, it's like, like you're doing your own thing right now. So that happens.
See,
But I think sometimes just gets back together.
yeah, but I feel it's different for boys and different for girls. Like I'm a mother of 2 daughters and a son, so I can understand actually what you are saying. Because my daughters, they are very close, and morning, evening, afternoon, every time they'll be. Just now also she was calling and it's on silent, so you could not get it. So like I'm open with my kids. So what you are saying, I am coming back to that. Even though I'm that open, but still I feel a gap between me and my son. But there is no gap between me and my daughters. Why? Because probably had my husband been there, he would have been more closer to him. Because every time whenever I try to get into certain things which he is not very comfortable with, he always says, "Mama, don't try to be my father, be my mother only. Don't try to fill up that gap, you cannot." So therein I understand, okay, it's a man to man talk. So he's not comfortable, but still he shares quite a lot of things. But वो एक जो होता है ना कि आइस ब्रेकिंग, जो आप बोल रहे हो कि मम्मी से क्या बात क्या करें, टॉपिक क्या उठाएं, वो बॉयज के साथ होता है. That is very natural. So you don't have to feel. But I feel that when you are with your family for more than 4-5 days or 10 days or a month, that ice breaking will automatically happen. And as a mother, if I say, if my son comes and cuddles me at least once a day, I feel okay, he is with me and I can talk in lengths with him, and I think he can also talk in lengths with me.
Mm-hmm.
But that physical touch is very important for a mother-son relationship, and again for a father-daughter relationship. That is very important. Otherwise, there will always be a barrier between a father and a daughter, son and a mother. So that is what I experienced, and as a parenthood, I think that is important for the parents also. It's not only for you, it's for your mother to come up and say, okay beta, let's have a hug, let's go out for a walk and let's talk. Okay, बता यार क्या है, किसी से गड़बड़ हुई है. What I feel, it is important for a parent as well as the child, and it is more important for the parent, less important for the child, because they are taking a flight. आप उनको फ्लाइट से नीचे उतारने की कोशिश कर रहे हो. So it is very important how you are telling them, okay, don't take this flight, take that flight. So that is the job of a parent. तुम तो उड़ोगे, गलत ट्रेन पकड़ोगे तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगी, तो वो कौन गाइड करेगा? फ्रेंड नहीं कर सकता गाइड.
But I also feel like कि what you're saying is 100% correct. I agree with you. But I also feel like कि I know that my parents want what's best for me, but I don't think that they know what's best for me. I at least for me,
Probably.
at
Yeah,
least
that's
for
fair.
me.
That's fair.
Probably. That's
Hmm.
very rightly said. They might not be knowing what's good for you, because why they don't know what's good for you?
Because like I said, that there's that
Because you've
gap.
never spoken out,
Yeah.
Hmm.
or you have never felt comfortable talking your heart out to them कि okay, this is what I am, this is what I want.
Hmm.
वो कभी conversations हुई नहीं. जिस दिन वो conversation हो जाएंगी, you will become open, and it is not once. You have to keep on doing it many a times. Definitely that ice breaking will happen and they will know. But हाँ, उतना नहीं जान सकते, because आपकी जनरेशन के बारे में आप जानते हो, हम अपनी जनरेशन के हिसाब से बोलेंगे. बहुत पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं हमारे ज़माने में तो हम तो जी पैदल चल के जाते थे स्कूल, तुमसे तो एसी से बाहर नहीं निकला जाता. Many parents do say that. मैं भी कई बार अपने बच्चों को बोल देती हूँ. But we forget as parents that no, the life is changed. I have given you the facility of the AC. How can I say that you are sitting in the AC and getting spoiled? I should not have given you if I had thought of it. So it's both ways.
But for you, what is that age, or do you think it's like very subjective from person to person? It depends. What is that right age to get into a relationship?
I think when you have attained a focus of your life. ठीक है, आगे जॉब क्या मिली, कैसे मिली, वो हर कोई फिगर आउट कर लेता है, कोई अनएम्प्लॉयड नहीं रहता है. बट देन इट्स यू आर मेट. होता क्या है कि जब तक आप ग्रेजुएट होते हो तब तक मेच्योरिटी आ जाती है. यू सी दी वर्ल्ड, और स्पेशली व्हेन यू सिट फॉर द जॉब्स, 4 जगह से रिजेक्शन आता है ना, तो इंसान का दिमाग सही ठिकाने आ जाता है कि व्हाट इज योर वर्थ. सो ही वॉज वेरी स्मार्ट टू टेल, complete your graduation. Okay, you also complete your graduation, then see where you stand. And that is the breaking point. कि हाँ, मेरे में ये caliber है, he is good with me, he's been good with me throughout, let's say 2, 4, 5 years, whatever this is the courtship period. ठीक है, if you feel, carry on. But if you feel within that you are difference of opinion and strong difference of opinions, then it's your call.
So just primarily figure out your life.
Yes,
And then
yourself.
just work.
We can just show you a direction. It's upon you. Do you want to move in that direction? Great, we are with you. If you do not want to move in that direction, sorry, we are not with you. That is my idea about the whole thing of relationship and all. It's not bad to have a relationship. I don't feel it's bad to have a relationship. But overdoing, it's bad. Sorry to say, what we see here, it's overdoing. We are, किसको दिखा रहे हैं हम? Are we fooling ourselves?
So you're saying it's
If I
more.
like you, for example, I like you, and we are having a cup of tea or we are going out for a movie, it is not important that I hold your hand, I hug you in front of 10 people. That is not important. That is what you are just showing off. That is not love. That is not a relationship. That's just a show off कि 4 लोग देख रहे हैं कि हाँ मैं इसके साथ हूँ. I feel that. If you really love, okay, you care for the image of the other person also. So that is what is true love, I call.
Okay, let me just play the devil's advocate here
Okay.
then. Okay.
Okay.
अगर आपको कभी भी लगे कि मैं थोड़ा सा वो हो रहा हूँ, आप मेरे को थप्पड़ मार लेना, मुझे कोई दिक्कत
ठीक है,
नहीं.
ठीक है,
ठीक है.
done.
तो let's say आप like I am going out with someone and whatever, then what? Then we're like कि ठीक है, if my girlfriend says कि oh why can't you post me on Instagram or whatever, ठीक है, I'm like कि because I don't care about what the world thinks about us and I think I want to keep this private.
Yeah.
I think she will have some sort of ये मेरे को नहीं है, I'm saying this is what some people have अपने उसमें. So it's usually like कि oh why do you not want to show me, are you like embarrassed of me or like whatever, right? What do you
No,
do?
you are not a showpiece. Definitely you are not a showpiece. You are close to my heart.
But are you embarrassed
For what? For not showing
not
you?
showing me?
No, it's not embarrassment.
Hmm.
It is just probably I'm possessive. I do not want to advertise. I know what is, I have a feeling for you. You have a feeling for me. Do we need to prove it to people? If our relationship is proving to people, then it is not a relationship. Then it is just a mockery of a relationship. So if your girlfriend says कि नहीं मुझे इंस्टा पे डालो और तुम मुझे शो नहीं करना चाह रहे हो, sorry, this is my feeling. If you are okay with it, we are together. Otherwise, thank you very much. Let's apart. That kind of relationship is showbiz नहीं है भैया.
What do you think about this?
No, I think like the bottom line ना मुझे ऐसा लगता है to each their own. Like some people have a comfortable enough relationship. Like it doesn't matter what you're showing to the world. Like even if you don't show me to the world,
Yeah.
like we still have what we have together. And like bottom line to each their own.
It should be casual. It should be casual. अगर आप हो ठीक है, एक फोटो डाल दी, 2 फोटो डाल दी, मन किया तब डाली. It should not be forced upon कि why are you not. ठीक है, जब मन होगा मैं डालूंगा. हो सकता है कि हाँ this is a good photograph, I should be putting. नहीं तो पता यहीं पे आपकी जनरेशन में यहीं पे डिप्रेशन सेट इन होती है बिकॉज यू आर अ लोनर. आप जितना मर्जी बोलो कि आपके फ्रेंड्स हैं, इंस्टा पे इतने लाइक्स हैं, ये एक्चुअली यू आर अ लोनर.
That's true.
It's very lonely being a teenager this age.
So you don't be a loner. Throw your phone on the side and see how beautiful the world is.
True. That's true.
यहाँ पे तो साइकोलॉजी क्लास हो गई.
नहीं वैसे जनरली वेरी फेयर. एक दिन अगर फोन ऑफ करके बैठो ना सुबह 1 घंटे के लिए, भाई इतना शांति होती है ना सुबह.
That's true.
Whole day goes well.
It's an idiot box. I call the phone as an idiot box.
My grandfather used to call that to the TV.
हाँ, हमारे टाइम पे टीवी को बोलते थे, अब मैं इसको बोलती हूँ. It's actually an idiot box. He drives you crazy. आपकी ब्रेकअप हुआ है और वो किसी और के साथ हुक्ड ऑन है, उसकी आप इंस्टा पे फोटो ही देख देख करके रोते रहोगे. अच्छा अब ये कर रहे हैं, अब ये कर रहे हैं. अरे भैया ब्लॉक इट. You have a life.
Yeah.
Move on.
ब्रो कर भरत.
एक सेकंड, ये क्या हो गया?
मजाक कर रहा हूँ.
Cut.
I think you'll have to cut many things because we are going in length. I think your plan was something else and we talked about
यही
other
fun है,
things.
हमारा यही
It's-
वो था
it's-
कि
it's pretty fun.
हमें पता था कि ये फॉलो कुछ होता है नहीं. It's just like structure which we did not follow.
We got one thing over here. Ma'am, are you aware of the Dargah story? Because we have
yeah.
absolutely no clear picture about what it is.
See, what story I know is what my husband told me. He was in this university since 2013. He was in Shivnadar only. And that time the buildings were getting constructed. So that time he told me, and many times he's told me this story. And when I came first time to the university, I was not an employee of the university. As a wife, I had come. So he'd taken me around and he showed me Dargah. That time he told me कि अकबर जब दिल्ली की तरफ को आते थे तो this used to be a mid place for he and his complete troop to rest and recoup. तो दरगाह के सामने अगर आप देखो तो बड़े बड़े पेड़ हैं, ऑर्किड
Oh,
काइंड
even
ऑफ अ
I know
थिंग।
something like that. I'll tell you. Yes, yes,
सो
yes.
ऑर्किड काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग है, देयर इज दैट इज द प्लेस वेयर दे यूज्ड टू सिट रिलैक्स, वहीं पे टेंटिंग करते थे एंड दे यूज्ड टू रिक्यूप, एंड दिस दरगाह वाज द प्लेस दे यूज्ड टू वर्शिप।
And
सो
this used to be bigger back then. कि
या
इतना ही.
नहीं, इतना ही था, इतना ही था।
Hmm.
और इसीलिए अगर आप वो एरिया देखो तो दैट इज क्लोज्ड एरिया, नो वन गोज देयर, दैट जहाँ पे ऑर्किड है, बिकॉज दैट इज अ हेरिटेज प्लेस विच इट इज लिस्टेड इन द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया रिकॉर्ड्स आल्सो। दैट्स व्हाट माय हस्बैंड टोल्ड मी, आई डोंट नो हाउ फार
और
इट
मुझे
इज।
तो बस ये बताया था भाई कि भूत होगा। That's the only
हाँ,
thing I
this
knew
is
about
the
that.
legend of दरगाह कि वहाँ पे it's like haunted है या
No,
फिर
no, it is that's what he told me, and I think if you talk to the older people who are here since the inception of the university,
yeah.
they will tell you this story, because that is the actual story wherein the complete फौज of Akbar used to pray and all, and फिर वो आगे move करते थे। ये एक वो उनका transit camp type of a thing।
I think when I came to the university for the first time campus tour के लिए only first year में अपने, तो there was this senior, हमारी senior obviously, who told us कि me and my parents कि दरगाह के पास जो वहाँ पे वो है ना, क्या बोलते हैं, date palms, date palms. I don't even know if अगर वो date palms है कि नहीं, but apparently there are date palms over there, और
Yeah.
वहाँ पे शाहजहाँ used to, मतलब वो शाहजहाँ खा के डेट palms फेंकता था और वहाँ पे इसलिए उग गए थे।
वही है कुछ,
हाँ,
मतलब
something
मुगल
Mughals.
एरा का कुछ है वहां पे लिंक,
Hmm.
एंड अकबर है या शाहजहां है, मतलब माय हस्बैंड टोल्ड मी
Something.
अकबर,
Hmm.
तो है वो स्टोरी तो है, दैट इज इन प्लेस।
Dude, I thought it was something scary. भाई तो काफी cool है भाई,
काफी cool.
काफी cool
हम
है।
अकबर के उस पे चले हुए हैं।
मैं इनफैक्ट मेरे कोई भी फ्रेंड्स या रिलेटिव्स कोई भी आते हैं, आई मेक इट अ पॉइंट टू टेक देम देयर,
Yeah.
because you might not be left with any such places more in the country, because everything, it's a concrete jungle everywhere
Yeah.
now, people are,
But where is the heritage site you're talking about, ma'am?
that is opposite दरगाह, जहाँ
No,
पे वो
opposite
palm
दरगाह
trees
is
जो
like-
आप बोल रहे हो ना,
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ.
वो अगर आप वहाँ देखो, अगर ध्यान से देखो तो जो वहाँ का जो वो है मड है, इट इज स्लरी,
Hmm.
इट इज
Okay.
वेटलैंड,
Hmm.
प्रॉपर वेटलैंड,
Clay सा तो.
क्लेई है वो और ओएसिस टाइप ऑफ अ थिंग वाज देयर।
क्योंकि अभी दरगाह के पीछे तो कंस्ट्रक्शन हो रहा है,
वो
if you
तो
know about it.
क्लस्टर 6 और 7
क्लस्टर 6-7 बन रहा है, उसके ऑपोजिट रोड क्रॉस करके वो देयर लाइक क्वार्टर्स वेयर
वी कैन
पीपल
वॉक डाउन, आई विल शो यू व्हिच प्लेस एंड
बड़ी यूनिवर्सिटी है।
हाँ भाई बहुत ज्यादा।
या
दैट्स व्हाट आई हर्ड, आई डोंट नो हाउ फार इट इज ट्रू।
या क्रेजी
भाई काफी क्रेजी भाई, यही बिलीव
क्रेजी
करूंगा आपसे
लोग।
भाई। यही बिलीव करूंगा आपसे।
या डू यू वांट टू टॉक अबाउट
सो
एनीथिंग?
व्हाट डू यू बिलीव अदरवाइज?
नहीं भाई, मुझे तो ये लगा था कि भूत है उधर, मुझे तो यही बताया गया था कि उधर भूत है।
लाइक हाँ,
डू
क्योंकि
यू
वो थोड़ा
रियली बिलीव इन भूत?
No, of course not. But that was just a very interesting story. So I thought that would be something.
Do you
वो
believe
कहाँ से
in
originate हुआ?
I don't.
ghosts.
I
You
don't. I don't. Because this is a topic, if you start believing, then you get deep into it.
तो
So
करना ही
I
नहीं चाहिए।
refuse to believe.
मेरा एक दोस्त था।
टाइम कंज्यूमिंग टॉपिक है,
हाँ,
घुसते
फालतू का है।
रैबिट होल।
There are too many things यार, भूत ही रह गया। अपने पे कंसंट्रेट करो, वो है
पढ़ाई
ना,
लिखाई करो।
वो
पढ़ाई लिखाई।
क्या वो मूवी थी 3 Idiots,
Yeah.
पनीर पे कंसंट्रेट करना।
Yeah.
सही है।
That's true.
चलो मतलब फेवरेट मूवी तो मिल गई।
हाँ वो है, yes,
Three Idiots is a
3
good movie.
Idiots
I
is a
like
good-
Three Idiots.
मैं कितनी मर्जी बारी देख सकती हूँ। नहीं, एक और याद आ गई, मुगले आजम।
I haven't watched it.
Mughal Azam is a
Mughal-
even my mom and dad they love
हाँ,
Mughal
वो
Azam.
यू नो मुगले आजम का व्हेन आई वाज अ किड, हमारे घर में क्या सिचुएशन होती थी कि
हाँ,
मेरे
हाँ,
फादर हर 5वें छोटे दिन मुगले आजम देखते थे, और मेरी मदर कनीज बन जाती थी और वो बादशाह बन जाते थे।
हाँ.
मतलब लिटरली वी यूज्ड टू बी टॉकिंग इन दैट लैंग्वेज, कनीज हमारा खाना लेकर आइए।
From what I remember of Mughal Azam was कि वो it was a black and white movie originally
या
and then वो re-release हुई थी colored
Colored
उसमें,
में।
और मेरे जब वो re-release हुई थी colored उसमें my parents were like oh my god.
उसका
stuff.
पहले एक ही गाना कलर में आया था,
हाँ.
दैट इज वो जो डांस करती है, आई एम फॉरगेटिंग द नेम, एंड देन आफ्टर दैट द होल मूवी वाज रिक्रिएटेड इन
Yeah.
So
Crazy.
these are my two favorite movies.
Mughal Azam and Three
Mughal
Idiots.
Azam and Three Idiots.
Yeah.
Mughal Azam why? Because it has got memories with my parents. And Three Idiots why? Because I have 3 idiots.
Oh, okay. How do you deal with grief, ma'am? Do you deal with it or do you escape? Like
I
there are
deal
two.
with it.
You deal with it.
I deal with it.
I think I
Hmm.
escape. What do you do?
अगर
नहीं,
आप
मैं-
escape करोगे कभी ना कभी आएगा.
Yeah.
It's better you kill it.
Hmm.
So happiness is the greatest virtue. You have to learn to be happy. And the moment you learn how you should be happy,
Hmm.
the life you've won. It's a victory.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay. That is what I would like to say.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was good. That was good.
Yeah. Okay, we can I think we can wrap this up if you want.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this.
Tudu.